Hello children, today we will learn about adjectives or describing words. Adjectives are describing words. They tell us more about nouns. Means adjectives are the words that describe nouns. For example, hot milk. Here milk is the noun and hot is the adjective because here hot tells us about the temperature of the milk. So children, before we understand adjectives, let us know what is noun, because adjectives are the words that describe nouns. Noun is the name of person, place, animal and thing. Let's see some example of person. Boy, girl, father, teacher, mother, doctor and many more are the example of person. Some example of places are school, park, office, hospital, temple, church and many more. Some examples of animals are dog, cat, hen, elephant, peacock, etc. Examples of things are book, pen, dress, pencil, ball and many more. So children, now you understand noun. Let's discuss our main topic, adjective. Adjectives tell us about the color, shape, size, number or some quality of the nouns. For example, green leaf. Here, green is the color of the leaf. So, green is the adjective. Round ball. Here, round is the shape of the ball. So, round is the adjective. Big park. Here, big is the adjective because big describes the size of the park. 7 boys. Here, 7 is the adjective because it describes the number of boys. Honest man. Here, honest is the adjective because honest describes the quality of a man. Let's see some more examples of adjectives. A small boy. Here, small is the adjective because it describes the size of the boy. A beautiful girl. Here, beautiful describes the noun girl. So, beautiful is the adjective. A cute cat. Here, cute is adjective because it describes the noun cat. A red balloon. Here, red is the adjective because it describes the noun balloon. 3 apples. Here, 3 is the adjective because it describes the noun apple. A big animal. Here, big describes the size of the animal. So, big is the adjective. An old man. Here, old describes the age of the man. So, old is the adjective. A pretty woman. Here, pretty is the adjective. It describes the noun woman. An intelligent boy. Here, intelligent describes the quality of a boy. So, intelligent is the adjective. Let's identify the adjectives. She has long hair. Here, long is the adjective. I I have a new watch. Here, new is the adjective. There are 7 boys in the class. Here, 7 is the adjective. Tia baked a delicious cake. Here, delicious is the adjective. My brother is strong. Here, strong is the adjective. The elephant is a big animal. Here, big is the adjective. This medicine is bitter. Here, bitter is the adjective. There are 6 mangoes left in the basket. Here, 6 is the adjective. These are lovely flowers. Here, lovely is the adjective. It is a short story. Here, short is the adjective.